Hello everyone, welcome back. This is day 119 of my coding journey. In this video, I'm going to be adding some more animations to my React project. Currently, I believe there's only 2 pages with animations, so just want to add some more animations to the other pages just to balance it out a little bit. So last night, I got my mouse in a weird location right now. It's like all the way over here because it's charging while I'm working. It died on me. But so yeah, last night I added the URL params, which I might finish before I start the animations actually, because I did it for the vacation. So whenever I click this, it goes to that specific vacation. So click on this one, it goes to that one. I haven't done it for cruise yet, so I think I might go ahead and finish it up for cruise right quick before I start those animations, because I'm just going to animate this page and I might add some animations to this page. I got about an hour, so see how far I can get. So yeah, I still haven't styled this up yet, this vacation detail page yet, but I got it working the way that I want it to. So let's get started. Let's do the cruise right quick. So let me make sure a quick record check. Like I said, that's been multiple times where I recorded and it wasn't, well, I thought I was recording and ended up not recording. All right, so let's start this one. So I already got it in the app.js. So I already got the, so I want to change this to name, because I tried ID and what it was doing, it was whenever I clicked on vacations, it just had the slash number, but I wanted to have the name of it, so I did name instead of ID. I'm gonna change that to name, and I basically just want to copy everything I did in the vacation card data, which is this, and let me go down to cruise cards. We'll go up to cruise cards, and let's go ahead and pick my mouse off the charger. Hopefully it doesn't die, so I can get comfortable. All right, so first things first, I want to import my import link from React Router. Import link from React Router, and I'm gonna wrap this entire card with the link. So link. Wrap this. All right, there we go. And for the path, I'm gonna do, I had to look at the time, but for the path, I'm gonna do the same path I did here, but so yeah, like this. So what this did, so okay, so I was having an issue, so let me just, actually I'm gonna not put this replace method so I can show you guys the issue that I was facing last night, which made me put that replace method. I'm just gonna copy this over to cruise cards. All right, I copied the whole goddamn thing. All right, so I'm gonna remove this replace method right quick, and then I'm gonna show you guys the issue that I was having. I'm gonna change this to cruise. Okay, let's see. Should be working now if I'm not mistaken. So cruise. Computer's going so slow. There we go. Wonder why that's not working right. Hold on. Cruise.name. Oh. Cruise. Change that to cruise. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna keep it like that. I think that's everything's right in that. And now I'm just gonna go to the cruise detail page, and I'm gonna go ahead and import the cruise. This card data. Nope. Cruise. Cruise card data, and then I'm gonna import use params from React Router. I believe that's all I need for this, but let me just make sure. Yep. And So this is the only way that it worked for me. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's probably hundreds of ways to do it, but this is the only way that it worked for me. So what I did, I did a const name equals use params. Right. And just let me, in this div, I'm just gonna do just gonna do name. I think that should work. And I'm getting the error. I don't know why. Go to app.js and see what we did here. Oh, it's cruises. Let's change this to cruise. There we go. Perfect. So we got our name there. So yeah, the only way that it worked for me was I did a find method on the cruise data. So I'm gonna do cruise data, cruise car data dot find, and I'm gonna do cruise equal function, and I'm gonna return let me make sure. Okay, yeah, put a cons and then vacation dot, so the vacation has to equals this name, vacation dot name, and then it will work for me, I believe. So let me just copy this. Our data. So I'll switch it up. Cruise. How did I put vacation? Alright, and then change to cruise. Then cruise. And I'm gonna remove this replace method because I'm gonna show you guys why I had to put that. Alright, so now I should have access to everything inside of this cruise data. So for example, I can do, let's do a div in here, and then I'm gonna do an image. I've got image and src. It's gonna be cruise image and alt that, and I should get the image now. Yep, there we go. When I click on, shows the image. I have access to the data, but oh, so it still works. Hold on. Okay. So I don't like the way this URL looks. That's why I did the replace method, but I'm gonna show you guys why that I had to do it here as well. So I wanted to get, so the URL for the spaces, it did this %20 for all like the spaces that I have in the name. So I had to put that replace method, which is, and what it does is remove the spaces inside of the string. I had to do that here. Show you guys. So we're gonna do dot place, and then now see it says %20. Now I should just say Royal Caribbean, but it gives me an error, so I have to put that replace method inside of the cruise details here. So dot place. Now everything should work the way that it should. That's why I had to do that. So now everything should be working. I think my mouse is dying again, which sucks. All right, click on that one. Got the name, we got that. So now only thing I have to do is just style this page up, add some more images and stuff like that, and then that'll be complete. And then finish the vacations page, add some content in all of these blue sections. I still haven't did the top rated filter section here. This should just be 4 cards, and make it responsive, and then that'll be complete. So yeah, let's start our animations. I think I made this a little bit too long already. I already spent 10 minutes on that. All right, so let's add some animations to this thing. All right, so I want to animate this page and this page. So I haven't used frame motion in a few weeks now, since the last time I added animations. I think that was like day 100. So it was about probably like 2 weeks ago. So let's see what I got here. So I know I have an animations JS. This is where I put all the animations at. So yeah, let's see how we're gonna do this. All right. So I don't think I'm gonna add any animations to the slider here, because I mean, technically it's an animation, I guess. I mean, I could, matter of fact, I could do something fancy with that for now. I could have it slide in on its own. I actually know how to do that now. Where's the slider at? I want to see, maybe I can. Components, cruise components. Actually, it's hero section. Dude, I got so much shit open. I need to close all this stuff. It is confusing me. Hold on. This is like really confusing me right now. All right, and close out everything. All right, so let's go to layouts, cruise hero, and cruise hero. So here's the slider. I'm not sure. See, I'm using React Slick in this. If I would have created my own slider, then I probably could do it. But yeah, I don't think I can mess with this because I'm using React Slick. I'm pretty sure there's a setting I can put to like automate it though, to make it easier. But so I'll look into that. But for now, so I want these cars to come in from the right. So whenever I come down, I'll come in from the right or the left. Kind of like how I did this here on the home page. So kind of like this, how it just slides in. So I kind of want that to happen here. So let's try to do that. Let's go to my animation JS, and it's about meet the team, contact form, contact boxes. So I'm gonna export a const, and this will be cruise top cards animation. I'm probably doing this like the hard way, like doing it like this, but this is the only way that I know as of right now. All right, so I want it to enter. I'm gonna copy this, something like that. I want it to enter, and the X to be 0, transition, and then the exit will be, we could just mess with this, but I just want to get it working for now. Let's just try this for now for that. So that's the cruise top car animation. All right, so now we got to see how we're gonna animate this and see how we're gonna do this. So this is the cruise page. Go home. And so how did I do the contact page? Contact. Did I put the animations? So yeah, I put the animations inside of the contact page. Whew, this is gonna be, I haven't used this in a while. So I know I'm gonna need to use ref. I'm gonna copy this here like that. And I'm gonna carry this over to the cruise page. Pages. Cruise. All right. I think this will work. Hopefully. I don't know. Starting to give me broken vibes, like I'm about to break something for some reason. Cause how am I gonna add the motion? Oh, I know what I can do. let's see. Sorry for the music out there. If I add a fragment here, am I allowed to put like, can I put that over this? This might sound stupid, but actually it might look stupid. So am I allowed? I'm about to see. I'm about to try this out. Try this out for a second. All right, so let's go back to cruise. Let's go back to contact. Okay, I didn't add it here. Okay, hold on. Now it's okay. Now okay. So where is, okay, so I added to each one. Now it makes sense. That means I would have to do it here. Add the animations here. Huh. I think I can do that, right? Yeah, so let's do that. Let's go back to cruise. Let's cut that and then go over to the cruise cards. And we're gonna add the animation here. I got so much shit. All right, so we're gonna add it here. Let's go back. Let's go to the contact. So we need to import the animations from animation. And it was cruise top car animation. And someone needs to use ref, and then just trying to remember how to do this. Use ref, okay. And then I'm gonna just change this to animation controls. All right, and then let's go back. And I remember to use effect. Use cards. All right, so I would need to change this to animation controls and then enter. And then this would be animation controls and then start and then exit. Then get rid of this. Get rid of it. Oh. Get rid of this one for now. And then, okay, so now go back to the cruise hero. But yeah, no, I remember I gotta set my ref and then my motion div, and animate, and then variants. Okay. Let's see if this works. All right. So for my motion div here, motion.div, also have to already import motion. Yep. All right, so motion.div, and then I'm gonna add animate, and the animate will be animation controls, and this would be cruise top car animation. I'm definitely gonna change that because I think this is about to apply for this set as well. So after that, I think we're okay. Makes sense now. So this, I had this issue before. So what it's doing is this. I'm gonna need to add a fragment here, but I really want to see if this works. I think. And can I add stuff inside of this? Like, I never tried this yet. Oh, okay, so I can't. I was about to say, yeah, I can't. That was stupid. I mean, it was worth a try, but so what it's doing is basically, I mean, I could try to see if it works here. Ref. Let's see if it works. See, what it's doing is basically, when it's not in view, it doesn't show. And what this ref does, it basically triggers once you get to that location, like on a page, but it's not triggering it because it's already exit, so it can't trigger because I can't explain it. It's like it's off the screen, so it can't trigger. So what I need to do is basically maybe add a, this is the only way that I know for a fact it will work like this. I had this issue before, so what I have to do is actually add a div around this, like that, and then add a ref and ref. So now it should work. Let's refresh. See, it's popping up. See, there we go. Okay, so I thought it was gonna mess up some styling, but it didn't. Nice. All right, cool. So what I'm gonna do is, wonder if I can get one to go from the left and one to go from the right. So let me see how I would do that. My only guess would be to actually split these up. Wonder if I can do that. Go like that. And then, why is that one still working? Hold on. Okay. Alright. Alright, we're on to something. Nice. That's what I want. So then toss this into another div. Same thing as this one, same class, just so it can have the styling. The toss this into another div. That. And then what I'm gonna do is just probably, I'm gonna take the animation off this for now, just to make sure that it's not animated. But if it's not, then I mean we're good. Let's refresh. Okay, perfect. All right, that's what we want. All right, so I'm gonna create it. So that's top card. So I'm actually gonna keep it like that. So now I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the way the animation looks and everything as well. It's too fast. I'm gonna export fonts, bottom, up, cruise, bottom, card, animations. All right, and this one will be same thing, but instead of negative, it's gonna be 1000%. That will come from the right, I think. Yeah, I think it should. And go to cruise. Let me take this off. All right, so down here, I gotta really not style it, but fix this up. Like, look how crazy this looks. Oh my god, I got too much space there. I gotta fix that up. All right, so I'm gonna do a all right, up here. I'm gonna import. Cruise bottom car animation, and I'm gonna change I'm gonna change this to top controls, top card controls, and then it's gonna be cons bottom card controls, use animation, and let's change this to top. And I'm gonna change this to, I'm gonna add one. It's gonna be start bottom card controls, and for the argument it's gonna be enter bottom card controls, start, and this would be exit. All right, down here, top card controls, and I'm just gonna copy this and paste it here. Bottom card and bottom cruise. There we go. All right, so now everything should work the way that I want it to be to work, I think. All right, refresh, bam. Yep, that one comes in like that. See how that looks on mobile. I mean, you don't really notice it on mobile, but oh yeah, you kind of do actually. Okay, all right, cool, not too bad. Stretch that out a little bit. All right, now let's bring it down some. And is it me or is this spacing now? Looks like a little bit too much spacing now, right? Yeah, it wasn't that much spacing before. I think it's that div. All right, so yes, it's definitely that div. So what I can do is probably bring the padding down on these a little bit. Let's see. Cruise cards, card down module. So this is the container. So probably bring the padding down. Let's see if I get rid of it. Dude, why is none of my commands working? There we go. Okay, it went down some. Yeah, that's what I want. Perfect. Okay, perfect. All right, that's perfect. All right, so I want to do the animation a little bit. I'm I'm gonna leave that pad and comment it out like that just in case, just so I can remember it's there. All right, so let's play with this animation a little bit. So I don't want a delay. Actually, I might keep the delay. Transition. Duration 1. It's way too fast. I want to do like let's do 1.5. Oh, that's the wrong one. Let's do 1.5. And maybe add like a ease in. I'm not sure how to play with these animations yet. And I'm gonna need to add a margin bottom to this slider. This is a little too close. Yeah, I mean, that's not bad. I mean, I personally like it. Cruise Hero. This slide. This is that slider. That slider. Margin. Bottom. 3 round. Did it work? Oh, that just made it weirder. Or am I tripping? Let's do 10 rem and see what happens. Okay, I think it worked. Let's do 20 rem. Did it move? Okay, it's moving. Okay. Let's do 5 rem. I think that's good. Maybe 10 rem. Maybe that was a good space. All right, yeah, I think that's good. All right, perfect. I think I'm gonna take off that delay on animations. Let's take this delay off. All right. Yeah, I think that looks better. Yep. All right, so now for these cruises, I want them just to have like an opacity effect, kind of like I did over here with contact section. So like it just comes in with the opacity like that. So let's try to do that. All right. I don't know how long I've been recording. 33 minutes. All right, so I got a little bit of time left. All right, so cruise partners should be in components, cruise page, cruise partners. Okay. All right, so same thing. I'm just gonna go ahead and copy everything over from what I just did and just switch everything out. Don't need that. All right, so I'm gonna copy all of this and just take out what I don't need. Over to cruise partners. All right, so I'm just gonna take out what I don't need. Oh damn, I even copied this. Cruise cards. All right, and this has to go inside of cruise partners. All right, cool. Let's get rid of this. And we're gonna make, okay, so this is the tricky part. So I want the motion div. So I want to, when you scroll down, I just want these to come in. I just want these to come in here. So I'm gonna use ref on this full container. Ref. And I'm gonna do a motion div on this. Motion.div. Okay. Alright, so let's go to our animations. Export cons, and this should be crews, partners, animations. Alright, so I said I wanted the same thing as meet the teams, which is this one. Try this out. If we gotta mess with it, we can. So cruise partners, animations. Go back to cruise partners, import it. This. Cruise controls. Hey, that's lit. Cruise controls. let's be more specific. Cruise partner controls. Alright, and I'm gonna change this to cruise partner controls. It'll be enter. And change this to cruise partner controls exit. And then for the motion div, I'm gonna do an animate. Animate, it's gonna be, but animate should be cruise partner controls. And for the variant, it's gonna be cruise partner animations. So let's see how this looks. Refresh. Yes, sir. I like that. Nice. I'm probably adding way too much animations, but I mean, it's my first React project. You know, it gotta look weird a little bit. But I'm definitely won't be adding animations to my e-commerce site that I'm full stack e-commerce site. I don't think I'm gonna use firmware motion. I mean, obviously it'll be like, you know, some animations for like buttons maybe and stuff like that, but all this stuff I don't think I'm gonna add. The reason why I'm adding it is because, you know, like I said, I already added it from the jump from my home page. I remember when I first found out about firmware motion, I was so geeked and happy about using it, but I don't think I'm gonna ever probably use this on my future projects. But like I said, I just want to balance it out and just, you know, just keep the same animations going for all the pages. I mean, I don't think it'll be right to have animations on one page and then don't have animations on the rest of them. So just want to balance it out a little bit. I mean, I could overall just delete them, but no. What's the fun of that? You know, at least I can say I used firmware motion before. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I like that little. Yeah, I really like that. Okay, everything is. What I might do actually is for the use effect. You see how it keeps going, and now that, like I said, I did this when I first started learning React. But now that I know more about React, I can make that just happen one time. And by doing that, I think I just put an empty array. I think. So let's see. So it won't just keep triggering over and over again. I just don't think that would. Okay, so that. Scroll up. Okay, so it still keeps going. And oh, okay. Wait. Huh. Okay. Okay, this, oh no, this is for cruise partners. So I think for this, I would do is in a view for the argument. I mean, for the dependency. Still doing the same thing. Huh. Well, I talked all that crap. I'm like, oh yeah, I think I can do it, but yeah, I don't know how to just trigger it one time instead of it keep doing it every time I refresh. I mean, not every time I go to that. My only guess would be is the ref that is in view. Let's look it up. Framer motion is in view one time. I don't know. How to animate. Right, so this is the docs. The usage. Fix. Okay, so I mean I did that part right. I put is in view. Changes this matter of passing it to use effect. I mean I think the proper way would be to put is in view in this anyway, so I probably should go back to all my animations to make sure I do that. I don't think there's anything. I think I looked this up before. I don't think there's anything on here about it animating just one time. Actually, it looks like there's just animating one time. Hold on. By default, user view will track visibility of an element as it enters, leaves the window viewport. Set root to be the ref of a scrollable parent, and it'll use that element to be the viewport instead. Okay. I mean, this is kind of, oh, wait. Huh. That's interesting. Set the root to be the ref of a scrollable parent, and it will use that scrollable parent though. Oh, once true. Oh, here we go. See, I said I read it, and I must have lied. All right, so I think I just do this. So for the use in view, I have to set this to once true. And now, wait, nope, still not working. Hold on. Something that I did wrong. Use in view, ref once true. If for security reason, okay, by setting once true, once the element is in view, use in view will stop observing the element and always return true. The amount of element that needs to enter the viewport for use in view to return true. Examples. So if I do once false, what does that do? Maybe I just should refresh. Yeah, I click use effect because I'm missing dependency. Yeah, I got way too much animations keep going. You see how they keep firing off? So I gotta figure that out. I don't like that. I just wanted to just do it one time. That's all. So let's refresh. Okay, I think I got it. It's not doing it again. Perfect. Okay. Wait. Scroll down. Wait. Let me go to the top of the page. All right. So here we go. Let's try this out. So you come in. It comes in. Perfect. And it doesn't do it again. Thank God. Okay. So that's all we have to do is that. So I'm gonna copy that over. And I believe I'm gonna keep this as in view because they have it here, and I think that's the ideal way to do it. I think you should always want to add a dependency to use effect. I mean, that's what I was told. Just so it won't cause issues. So I mean, it's either that or empty array. I had nothing there, so I think the ideal thing is to definitely add is in view as for that. And let's just fix up this page because I don't think I would have to go in this component for a while. I'm gonna miss you, cruise page. Refresh. And I think that's probably why my animations are going slow, is because of all of the, it gotta just keep doing it over and over again. That's probably why. So let's actually go fix that, and then I'm gonna end this video. I didn't have time to finish up this, but I mean, I did want to add some animations to these. Then again, I mean, this one probably don't need animation, but down here probably. But yeah, let's go fix this up right quick because definitely need this to be right. So let's go to cruise cards, and it's a really easy fix. So I'm just gonna once true there. That should take care of both of those. Refresh. Oh, we gotta add our dependency. It's in view. Alright. Computer's going slow. Don't know why. Hopefully the video's not laggy. Alright, so the animation fired. This animation fired, and that animation fired. Scroll down, and they should not fire again. Perfect. All right, cool. So what I might do is for this top one, I actually might add a little delay to it, because you see that once you refresh it, it fires immediately. So I'm gonna add a little delay to that one. I'm gonna do a delay of 0.5. I save that, and I'm gonna go ahead and refresh. So you come to the page, nice slider, bro. Scroll down. The delay didn't work for some reason. Wait 1 second. This delay still didn't work. Oh, wait, what? Oh, the delay was on the wrong thing. Sorry. On this one. Delay. Alright. Let's try this out. Yeah, it's okay. And they won't fire again. Let's actually change this to 0.5. And the delay on the cruise partners. Duration 1. I'm gonna do a duration of 1.5. They're fading in a little bit too fast. Alright. Let's try this out. Alright, cool. My computer's just going slow, that's why it's like taking a while to load stuff. Alright, yeah, I think that looks great. I'm gonna keep that like that. So I'm gonna go over to the contact stuff and add in that once true. because these are doing the same thing. They fire more than once, and I don't think that's a great idea. So go over to contact page components. Start with wait, did I add each one? That is wild if I did. Did I really? Did I really? Oh, okay. I don't think I did. Oh, I did it in contact form. That's what it was. Okay. I think. Nope, I didn't add it here. I guess we'll just do the about us for now. Alright, so the only thing that we gotta do is we gonna add a dependency. And this should be is in the view. And then the ref should be once. Perfect. And that's for this about section. Let's go ahead and refresh. This is my favorite section. Like that's like that image looks so great. I did it in Photoshop. Found a little mock-up online and went to Photoshop and made it look like a real office. So yeah, once true, that's perfect. And now let's do the meet the team. Is in view. Once true. All right, perfect. So now that should just fire. Whoa, why is it firing more than once? What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, there we go. It stopped. All right, so now this section, which should be somewhere. I thought it was contact form. Oh no, not contact form. It should be in meet the team, social box. Other modals. Oh, okay, I know where it's at. It's in the hero section. So it should be contact hero. That's where I was just at, and oh my god. All right, so yeah, contact hero. I'm gonna do a dependency is in view, and for the animations, just gonna do ref, and it should be once true. All right, so that should take care of all of that. So now all my animations should just fire one time. I don't know why this one is take. I know I don't got that much of a delay on it. And I got issues in a bunch of my stuff. Hold on. So this one has, I don't need any of that. Get rid of all of that. And I got an issue in here. So it's for some reason saying is in view boolean. The act hooked use effect has missing dependencies. Bottom card control either include them or remove the dependency array. Huh. Maybe I should just, instead of doing this, maybe I should just do an empty array. What is it? Yeah, I wonder why I'm getting an error like that. If I'm gonna look into that, because I got an error in this one as well, and I'm pretty sure I got errors in this one and in this one. So I'm gonna look into that. I mean, let's go see what they get on the docs. So it's in view, That's what I got. Now dependency. I wonder why mine is giving issue. Passing it to the using fact. Using view is vanilla React state, so firing functions when is in view changes is a matter of passing it to a use effect. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna keep it like this for now. I think that's great. Alright. So yeah, I think that's really it for today's video. Didn't get a chance to do what I really wanted to do. I wanted to animate all of this stuff, finish up this page, and then do some animations on this page. I don't know why my images are still going slow. I really don't understand. Like my whole entire site's going slow. That's why I just want to just get this over with, get this site over with, be done, so I can start on my next project. Cause I don't know if I've ruined, like, this is legit my first ever React project, so I don't know if I definitely most likely used the wrong build too. I should have used Vite or Vite, which I'm definitely gonna use in my next project. So it's a lot of things that I'm gonna change, but overall, I mean, the site's looking great. Everything looks great. Let's see. So I say I'll probably go ahead and animate this. I got a few minutes, so I might just go ahead and animate this section since I'm here. So just so the animations can at least be done on that page. So export on, so this would be, I forgot what I named this section. Cruise, bottom cruise. All right, so bottom cruise animation. Okay. All right, so how did I do? Okay, so this is how I did it. So this is kind of what I want here. Kind of want this image, this to come from the right, and this to come from, this to come from the left, and that to come from the right. So to do that, I'm going to probably add the same thing here, something like that. Image exit. All right. And then let's go to about us JS, see how I did this. Image controls, about, image exit, about exit. Okay, I think I got it. All right, cool. All right, so let's go ahead and copy all of this over to the cruise partners. Nope. Bottom cruise. All right, and copy all of that. All right, cool. And let's import bottom cruise animations and switch these. So we got image controls and about controls. So I'm gonna need to do two, I think, as well. So I'm gonna do image controls, I'm gonna keep that, and I'm gonna do text controls. All right, so this got the image controls, I'm gonna keep that there and just change this to text controls. Text controls. And all right, so we want the the ref. So we want, so this is the inner. We want the ref to be on this ref. And then turn this to a motion .div. Okay, and I think I'm gonna have to turn I think I'm gonna have to turn, instead of the outer container to a motion div, I think I'm gonna have to turn both of these into motion divs. Like that. And then for the animate, I'm gonna do a image controls. So this is the image. So image controls. And then for the variant, I'm gonna do a, what is it? Bottom cruise animation. All right, so let's see how that looks. I saw it moving. I think it worked. So it's not the way that we want it. Okay. All right, but we got it working. So I could just switch all of that. So this would be, so motion.div. I'm gonna do an animate equals, and this would be text controls. And for the variant, going to be the same thing. Bottom cruise animations. All right. Probably should refresh coming. Let me refresh from the top. Is the way I got it set up. And why is my, whoa. Oh, I thought this, whoa. Why is it doing that? Oh, we got a bug. Is it like that for all my pages? It is. Wow. Until the animations come in, that's when, oh, I gotta add overflow hidden on everything to get rid of that, I think. Let's see. I just noticed that. So when the animations are not working, like before we hit it, it shows a scroll bar and can scroll all the way to the right or the left. I think to get rid of that, I think all I have to do is, for the body, I'm gonna add a overflow hidden. Let's see. Nope. Still can scroll. Oh man, that sucks. And now it, oh, that sucks. I'm gonna have to look into that. That's a bug. Oh man, that sucks. But I think that'll be an easy fix actually. But all right, yeah, it looks nice. I just gotta switch them around. Let's go to vacation details. I mean, animations. And instead, so the image about exit. So instead of, I'll do negative on this one. Now it should work. I'm 100% not adding animations on my frame of motion. This is too much. All right, that looks nice. I like that. All right, perfect. Sorry for the loud car out there. Or it's a jet actually. But yeah, so that's it for me today. Thank you guys for tuning in. Tomorrow is my last class in my boot camp, so I'm excited for that. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 120. Peace out.